this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. So I am absolutely loving the love you guys are giving me. Yes, I know I have started doing my videos very regularly and I know my subscribers are very happy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel now. So I am recreating which look today? Any guesses? Yes, my favorite, Deepika Padukone. So Deepika had recently attended an event for Filmfare Middle East, and oh my god, I was blown by her images. Her cat winged eyeliner and that messy ponytail which I have on me right now. I'll show it to you once my look is done. I think she looked so hot. And if you really look at Deepika Padukone very closely, you would realize that she does not really wear too much foundation. So remember, if you want your foundation or your skin to look good, you need to work on your skin. So my question to you again is, what are you doing to take care of your skin? I'm going to do skincare tutorials very soon, so stay tuned for that as well. As for now, I'm just starting the tutorial and I'm going to take the help of some tape. Now this tape is Scotch tape, which is available at any and every stationery shop. It's not the transparent tape, it's translucent. Available at every stationery that you can imagine, very affordable. I can do it without the tape, but I am doing it with the tape to just make it easier for you. Just make sure that you apply that tape absolutely equal on both eyes. So there you go, I have tape on both my eyes. I'm using the Maybelline gel eyeliner. I love the Maybelline gel eyeliner. So now, honestly speaking, like this brush is too thin or medium to apply it on the lid. So you can always even apply it over the lid with a slightly bigger brush, and that's exactly what I'm going to do so that I don't waste time. I'm just using the brush more for my inner corners at the moment. So use a synthetic brush. A synthetic brush will give you great application. I'm using one by Real Techniques. And I'm going to take off my tape and show you how this looks. So I'm not wasting much time with a really tiny brush. Just kind of taking my color straight away onto my lid. I'm also going to fill in my tight line. So when I say tight line, I'm talking about the lash line from the inside of the upper lid. And now I'm going to do the lower lash line after my foundation is done. So I'm going to start with prep and prime of my skin, and I feel that is one of the biggest tricks to make your foundation look flawless, right? Today I'm going to use the Beauty Bar Liquid Gold, and I'm taking about 6 drops to apply on my skin. You can apply this with your fingertips or with a brush, whatever you prefer. And after that, I am using the MAC cream color base in shade Pearl. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. She doesn't have any crazy amount of shine, and I think this is a great product for the same thing. I'm just gonna apply a little bit in the center of my forehead, and because this product is creamy, it just kind of blends into your skin with your fingertips as well. You can use a brush as well, whatever you prefer. I'm also going to apply the cream color base a little bit on my collarbone area because it's all going to be bare, and she has a lot of shine happening there. Like, you know, I see a little gold sheen in her images, which could be the lighting, of course, but I'm just going to apply a little bit on my collarbones and just blending it out with a brush. I'm going to use my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange, and if you're somebody who's looking to to buy authentic LA Girl and Makeup Revolution products, get in touch with us. I'm going to leave our number in the description box below. So I just take the orange corrector and I'm now using a stippling brush by Crown Brushes. We sell Crown Brushes as well. And I'm just going to apply this orange corrector below my eyes. So again, just to give a little bit of, for people who've not been following me before and are recent subscribers, a corrector helps you diffuse problem areas on your face like your under eyes, your pigmentation on the sides of your cheeks, maybe pigmentation on the sides of your forehead, and of course a little bit of pigmentation that we all have around the mouth. If you are somebody who is prone to pigmentation, remember sunblock needs to be a very, very important part of your skincare regime. So I love a stippling brush because it like really blends the product beautifully into the skin. Like say even if by mistake I kind of overdo a product, you know, all you have to do is like stipple it around and it kind of beautifully blends it out. I also feel that a lot of women do not concentrate on their mouth area, especially when you're doing a nude lipstick. Remember, your outer corners of your lips really need to look the same color as your skin so that a nude lipstick can really stand out. I call this the dark circle of the lip. So there you go, it's all blended now, and I'm going to move on to the foundation. So I'm using my Makeup Forever HD Ultra Foundation in shade Y405. I love this foundation. Just one coat gives you just the right amount of coverage and dewiness. And I'm going to buff it into my skin. I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. In fact, I feel that Deepika wears really sheer foundation. So I'm going to really buff this into my skin so that it looks like very Deepika is like half my age. So I'm sure her skin is much better than mine. So I haven't slept really well in the last few nights, and I'm going to use a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Warm Honey just around on my dark circles because I feel that they are kind of a tad bit too dark for my lighting. Did I say my lighting? I think they're just a tad bit too dark. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so spaced out. I haven't slept the last couple of nights. No specific reasons, just sleepless. So I'm just applying the color Warm Honey from LA Girl. At any point if you feel you're very confused and you want to pick up your colors, you can always walk into our studio and my artist will be able to help you out with your colors for your skin. And I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade yellow just to highlight my under eyes, Cupid's bow. And next step being that I'm just going to take my stippling brush again and I'm going to blend this out. And I'm just going to powder my face and do a powder contour. So I'm using a MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NW45 to contour. So I'm using a MAC blusher in the shade Melba. I don't see any crazy amount of blush on her. I'm just going to apply very little. You can apply any blush as long as it's not overtly pink. And that's what I love about this color, Melba. So this is what the color looks like and I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's 100% matte as well. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder Luminous Light with a big fluffy brush all over my skin. I love this fluffy brush. This is by Heiress Beauty and you must check out their page, Heiress Lashes, on Instagram. They have some amazing lashes as well and they've just launched their entire range of brushes and they also have a beauty blender. So I'm just going to, you know, Nothing too crazy, but you know, just like a light, except my under eyes. So I love this because it just gives the right amount of sheer dewiness on the skin without looking too crazy. Using this beautiful bronze highlighter from the summer highlighter palette of Huda. I'm using a fan brush by Sigma. So just taking a spoolie. Her eyebrows are really stark, strong and defined. So I'm just gonna start doing that. So because the eyebrows are really dark and defined, I first use a Dip Brow pomade by Makeup Revolution in shade Chocolate. And now I'm topping it up with a Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in dark brown. Mascara, kajal and fake lashes. And I'm just filling up the kohl. I'm using the same Maybelline gel eyeliner. So I'm using the same brush that comes with the Maybelline gel eyeliner to fill up my kajal. I love this brush. I'm using a Bourjois lip pencil in shade 12. And I'm using a matte lipstick in Kinda Sexy, which I think is a tad bit too pink. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of a MAC taupe